Okay, a more complicated example. So I'm going to find the area under the graph. I don't want to try to sketch this exactly, though you technically could with your Cal 1 skills. I just want to convince myself that everything makes sense here. Ln of 1 is 0, and ln of x is actually positive if x is bigger than 1. Okay, I know that because I've memorized what ln of x looks like. Looks something like this. So it's positive there. So that tells me that my function is positive between x equals 1 and x equals 2. Okay, so under the graph actually, makes sense. So to find the area, I can just use an integral. So the area will equal the integral from 1 to 2 of this function. Okay, recap. We saw before that definite integrals do represent area under the curve, but only if, the function here is positive. And over here, I'm just trying to convince myself that it is indeed positive. Okay, we have an issue here. What is the integral? This one's complicated enough that I would take it aside and look at it just as a indefinite integral. So I would go u is equal to, okay, we have some trouble here. This is I almost want to say special case. If I did something like ln x in brackets, then I put the 4 over here and the 1 over x here, and maybe you can see that, okay, if this is u, and then this is u prime. So from this thinking, I'm led to try u is equal to ln of x. It's, this is just to the power of 1 here. But you can still think of ln x as being an inside function. And then directly outside, you have its derivative. So that is a tricky case that you should keep in mind. Use ln x. dx is x du. So we perform this substitution. The 4 comes out to be as a quarter in front. And the ln x is my u. Still have that x on the bottom. Dx is x du. 1/4 u du, which is 1 over 4 u squared over 2. Which is 1 over 8. And then, who cares? Let's just switch back to ln x here. And then plus c. Okay, so now I can go back to my original definite integral. Okay, copy that down again. Area is equal to what was it, ln x over 4x squared dx is, well, you take this 1 over 8 ln x squared. This is your, capital F here. And you do evaluation from 1 to 2. Okay, the 1/8 can stay in front. You don't have to kind of copy that inside the square bracket. No, 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 no. No. No, no, no. Okay. Okay, the rest is kind of blah, 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 but there you have it. So what happened here? What happened here? Pause and copy. So what happened here was we had a question where, well, the wording was a bit different. It's area under a graph. And the choice of u that I made was a bit strange. Okay, so I would say, yeah, watch out for this one.